This is Ron with BridgeCom Systems. Quick video for you guys regarding storing a VFO channel to memory. Now, as you all know, the AT-D868 is a great radio for DMR, but it's also a good radio for analog as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the process of storing a VFO channel to memory. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure it's in VFO mode, which is done by pressing the P2 button. Okay, now that it's in VFO mode. Right now it's currently in digital, as you can see by this DIG. So we also want to change that. So what we need to do is build a analog system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this particular frequency in of a local repeater. It's 146.79 with a PL tone in and out of 107.2, and the station ID is W0TE. So with that said, I'm going to go in here to memory, or menu rather, and hit settings. I'm going to do channel set. I'm going to change the channel type to analog. Okay. I'm going to now go back and I'm going to set the receive and transmit tone to CTCSS. This changes both the receive and the transmit, so it's quick and easy. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go down here and set the receive frequency to 107.29 or 146.79 rather. 146.79.000. Okay, and then I'm going to, oops, wow, that's still saved, so I'm going to, okay, see it's still there. Okay, now I'm going to go to the transmit, and that's minus 1.6, or I'm sorry, minus 0.6 offset. So I'm going to delete that and type in 146.19. Okay, I've got the frequency, so I'm going to back out, make sure the bandwidth is wide. Okay, and back out. Squelch mode is CDT stands for the CTCSS. Power settings, turbo, I'll leave that alone. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to back out, exit. So there, I've got it. I've got an analog channel, 146A. I'm sorry, 146.79. And I'm going to see if I can get the repeater to come up. And it does. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to store this into the memory. So what I need to do is I need to quickly go into memory mode, and I need to see, this is what, see that says channel 1. Okay, I'm going to just go through and see. This is a stock radio, so out of the box it should have 8 channels in it, and it does. So we want to put it on channel 9. Okay, so I'm going to back out or go back to VFO mode. So now I want to store this. Okay. Okay, new channel, input channel number 9, confirm. Okay, now we can put in W0TE, so I'm going to go W, change the 0 T E, confirm. Put it in zone 1, confirm to save, channel saving. Okay. I'm going to back out. I'm going to exit. Okay, now I'm going to go to memory mode. Okay, we're on channel 7. There's 6. I'm going to go the other way. 8. And voila, channel 9 is an analog channel. So I've now added channel 9 to the mode, to the zone rather. So there you go. That's how you store a memory channel that you can create in VFO mode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Hit the notification bell and you'll be alerted to all the videos. Like us on Facebook, 73.